So because we've added a new file in here, application-docker.yaml, for both Eureka Server and API Gateway, we have to build a new image. Again, we have to build a new image because the current image does not contain application-docker.yaml. So back to the terminal, and in here, let's together run the maven package build docker image. And this will actually build for every single module. We could have done it for those two specific modules, but that is fine. This time it should be quicker than before because it doesn't have to build all the layers. And if you want to learn more about layers and how this works with Docker, check my Docker for DevOps Engineers course. And there you go. So you can see that this was super quick. Now, what we can do is docker compose and then up dash and then D for detached. Enter. And this is creating the network right here. And it's recreating Zipkin. Have a look. Eureka Server, API Gateway. It's starting, and this is because of the dependency. And there we go. Now, if this takes a while for you, it's because I already had this cached, but it shouldn't take that long. Now let's check the logs. So Docker logs and then API Gateway. So you can see the response status is 200. Then let's check the logs for Eureka Server. So Docker logs, Eureka dash and then server, and running with evict, and it seems to be working as well. So this is our banner in here. So there we go. Next, let's go ahead and open up our web browser. And in here, I've got localhost 8761. So this is Eureka Server. If I reload, check this out. So this is working. And you can see that the Eureka Server has one instance, which is currently registered, and that is API Gateway. Now, if you notice, so in here, the URL, it's no longer 127, so localhost, and this is basically internally to the Docker network. But you can see that it's listening on 8083. Also, Zipkin. So let me just reload, and then let me click on this plus sign, service name, and currently we only see Eureka Server because Eureka Server is actually sending requests. Have a look, get, post, so on and so forth. Now, if I was to send a request from Postman to our API Gateway, so this should give me an error. So if I send, there we go. So service unavailable, API customers, right? So we haven't configured customer, nor fraud, nor notification. So currently you can see that we have a 503, and back to Zipkin. If I basically clear this and reload and then plus service name, and now you can see that we have API Gateway. So right here, run query, and this was, so you can see that it was a 503, service unavailable, unable to find instance for customer. There we go. We've done it.